Meet the Honor Magic V5, the foldable flagship that redefines premium innovation in 2025. With a sleek, ultra-slim body and cutting-edge engineering, the Magic V5 isn't just another foldable, it's a statement of refined craftsmanship and futuristic design. Honor has pushed the boundaries of what a foldable phone can be, delivering a device that seamlessly blends power, elegance, and utility in a single foldable form. At the core of this beauty lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, Qualcomm's most powerful and efficient processor to date. It brings lightning-fast performance, console-level gaming capabilities, and superior thermal management, ensuring that whether you're switching between multiple apps, editing videos, or gaming at high settings, the Magic V5 never breaks a sweat. Paired with up to 16 GB RAM and ultra-fast storage, this device delivers a smooth, lag-free experience built for modern power users. Open the fold and you're greeted with a 7.92-inch OLED internal display, offering a stunning 2K resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's more than just a screen, it's a canvas for creativity, productivity, and immersive media consumption. Watching movies, reading ebooks, or multitasking with split-screen apps feels more natural and engaging on the expansive display. When folded, the 6.45-inch external display is equally impressive, providing a vibrant, edge-to-edge viewing experience that makes one-handed use a joy. Both displays are HDR10+ certified and tuned for exceptional brightness, color accuracy, and responsiveness. Photography on the Magic V5 is equally flagship grade. The 50MP triple lens rear camera setup includes a high-resolution main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, an ultra-wide lens for landscape or group shots, and a dedicated portrait or macro lens. Enhanced by Honor's advanced AI imaging engine, the phone captures exceptional detail, sharp contrast, and vibrant colors, even in challenging lighting. Selfie lovers and content creators will appreciate the 32MP front camera, capable of shooting crisp portraits and smooth 4K video, making it ideal for vlogging, video calls, or social content. Powering the Magic V5 is a 5,000 mAh battery, optimized for foldable use and heavy multitasking. With 66W supercharge support, you can go from 0 to over 50% in under 20 minutes. Whether you're out for a busy day, gaming on the go, or managing meetings on the move, the Magic V5 is built to last all day without slowing down. Running on Magic OS 8, based on Android 14, the software experience is finely tuned for a foldable form factor. It introduces smart window resizing, drag-and-drop multitasking, enhanced gesture controls, and app continuity that ensures your workflow stays seamless whether you're using the inner or outer screen. Magic OS also integrates AI-enhanced features that adapt to your habits, making your experience faster, smarter, and more intuitive over time. When it comes to design, the Honor Magic V5 doesn't just deliver function, it delivers fashion. The ultra-slim foldable frame is made from aerospace-grade materials, making it lighter yet more durable. The hinge mechanism has been re-engineered for increased longevity and smooth folding, tested for hundreds of thousands of folds. Whether you're attending a business meeting, traveling the world, or just relaxing at home, the Magic V5 looks and feels like the future. In a market filled with compromises, the Honor Magic V5 stands out as a no-compromise foldable smartphone. It's designed for creators, professionals, and anyone who refuses to settle for ordinary. With unmatched design, elite hardware, and software that's truly optimized for productivity, the Magic V5 proves that foldables have matured, and are ready to lead. Honor Magic V5 style that folds. Power that lasts. Innovation that inspires.